In today's video, I'll show you how to create classes in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to offer group sessions like workshops, fitness classes, or group coaching, this setup will help you manage multiple attendees easily. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left side menu. This is where you create and manage all your services. Now click on New Appointment Type or Create New Service. Next, enter the name of your class. For example, you can name it Yoga Class, Group Coaching Session, or Online Workshop. After that, set the duration of the class. This defines how long the session will run. Now look for the option that allows multiple clients or group bookings. Enable it so more than one person can book the same time slot. Next, set the maximum number of participants. For example, you can allow 10, 20, or even more attendees, depending on your setup. Then choose your availability. Select the days and times when your class will run regularly. If needed, you can also add buffer time or preparation time before and after each class. Once everything is configured, click Save to activate your class. Now your class will appear on your booking page, and clients can register and reserve their seats. Before finishing, test the booking page to make sure group bookings are working correctly and limits are applied properly. And that's it. You've successfully created classes in Acuity Scheduling and set up a group booking system. And that's how you create classes in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.